HiveGPT comes packed with a whole host of templates designed to get your campaigns off the ground in no time. To begin, select Templates on the left navigation, where you will then be met with a plethora of template options. You can filter these options with the upper prompts, or by typing in the search bar at the top. Once you find the perfect template, select it from the options. You will then be able to add this template to one of your existing campaigns, or to a new one. Each template is custom designed with simplicity at the forefront. Go ahead and name your new document, and then begin filling in the dialog boxes on the left. Once you are complete, you can generate your custom document within seconds. All done? Make any needed changes to the document and go ahead and click Save. All of your documents will be found within your campaign where you can share and edit them at any time. That's it. With all of the template options available, you will find exactly what you need to get your campaign off the ground.